Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video, and well, you have seen the title and thumbnail of today's video, and well, we're getting a brand new DJI Mini drone. It is confirmed, and in today's video we're gonna be sharing with you all the details that you need to know, from the release date, the specs that we're gonna be seeing, in addition to the new naming that this drone is gonna be having, and whether or not it's gonna be called the Mini 4 or something else. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it's the Air 3, the Inspire 3, the Mavic 3 Classic, and of course this brand new Mavic Mini drone. You already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. And also, if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family. So without any much further ado, let's go ahead and get started with today's video, which is going to be quite exciting. And well, you guys might just remember that the release of the DJI Mini 3 Pro took place just a few months ago, and this has definitely been a very successful drone. I think that the specs that it packs are simply phenomenal, and the price point, I think it's quite fair. Now, for some people out there, it is a bit too high considering this is still a mini drone, and I'm with you guys out there. I think it is definitely a bit too high considering this is not an air level drone, and it's still a mini level drone, and you're still paying over $700 for the base entry model level. And well, guys, do not worry, and that is because DJI is ready to give those people out there that really don't want to go ahead and pay $700 to $1,000 for this new mini drone the option to get a more cheaper version. And well, you have heard that right, a brand new DJI Mini drone has been confirmed, and that has been thanks to our great friend Deals Drone. He's a very reliable source, and he has proven so several times in the past, one of the most recent ones being the DJI Beta, and also with the DJI Mavic 3 as well as the Mini 3 Pro. And well, just today it was not the exception. So let's go ahead and take a look at his tweet. Rumors said DJI Mini 3 Non-Pro will release at September without obstacle sensing and with the exact same camera. There you have it, guys. What do you guys think? This is very surprising. We did not expect it to see a brand new mini drone so soon. I was definitely expecting this drone to come out in the next upcoming months, but not so soon. And I mean, we're talking September. We're already in September. And I mean, we also have the release of the DJI Action 3 happening this month. So guys, get ready, because this month is gonna be packed with some very exciting stuff. Now, how reliable is this source? Our good friend Deals Drone, I'm gonna tell you guys, he's very reliable. Now, is this new brand new DJI Mini drone going to actually happen? I'm glad to inform you that yes, this will happen. And let me tell you something, this is not the first person who I hear this from. Actually, a few months ago, a good friend who has some very good relationships told me that DJI was going to be releasing a non-pro version of the DJI Mini 3, and the name of the Mini 3 Pro actually gives it away. It is a Mini 3 Pro, so there's space for a DJI Mini 3, just a Mini 3, which is going to be a drone that's going to be packed with less bells and whistles like the Mini 3 Pro has. So guys, I can tell right now, coming from my source, and now Deals Drone confirms it, that we're gonna be getting this Mavic Mini 3. Now, let's talk about the naming. It will not be called the Mini 4 as you guys might hope for. No, it's not gonna be the Mini 4, not the Mini 3 Lite, not the Mini 3 SE, just the Mini 3. Let's talk specs. Let's go ahead and talk about that. What can we expect? Well, we can probably expect the exact same frame, the exact same flight time, most likely, and also the exact same cameras our good friend Deals Drone suggests. The only difference that we know as of right now is going to be that it will not include the obstacle avoidance sensors. So if you're a more experienced pilot, or you simply want to go ahead and add a backup drone to your arsenal just in case, and you really don't want to go ahead and buy the very expensive Mini 3 Pro, you just want to go ahead and buy a really good drone with a good camera for your backup arsenal, I think this brand new Mini 3 is going to be simply amazing. Also, just if you want to go ahead and buy a second drone to add to your fleet, and you don't want to spend so much and you already have a lot of experience flying drones, I think this Mini 3 is really good to add, especially if you like to travel, or you might have your main primary drone and then you add this Mini 3 for those travels. So I think this is a great idea. I'm very excited because this drone is going to be coming at a more cheaper price tag. Maybe, I don't know, we still don't know the pricing, but maybe it's going to be $200, maybe $499 is going to be the starting price. That will be very, very appealing to a lot of people out there. So guys, do not worry, we're going to keep you guys updated, and we still have a lot of stuff to learn about this brand new DJI Mini 3. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the comment section down below. But that is what just happened today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.